Yo, what's up? So I got two videos I want to make because they're totally separate, totally two separate topics. The first one, I just want to get off my chest before anything. Christ, right? Christ, it's Christ consciousness, blah, 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 you know. Christ also means Christos. Christos. And Christos or Christ also means anointed. The anointed one. We're all anointed ones or whatever. Something like that. To where I was learning this stuff years ago. Trying to learn as much as I could. Can only take so much sometimes to where I got so much other things going on in my life that I can't focus on, just like stuff. So I try to learn as much as I can now, you feel me? So Christ, Christos, anointed, right? Anointed, basically like CSF, you know what I mean? CSF, your cerebrospinal fluid, basically, the stuff inside you that you're, you know what that is. Christos, it's the oil, you know what I mean? You have the oil inside you feel me? It's basically, milk or honey, right? Something like that. The river will flow with milk and honey. So, I don't know what in church that, they smear the, ointment or something on your friggin' forehead. I don't know what they do. I don't go to church. I don't need to. I'm, the church is within, you feel me? You are the church. You feel me? I don't think it said go to church. I think it said you are the church. I think that's what it might have said in the Bible. I'm not positive, but I know you are the church. You don't have to go to church. You feel me? Do your research, folks. It's as simple as that. You feel me? Like, all right, well, want to get all historical and stuff and talk about ancient Sumerians. Well, I mean, that's cool too, but, do enough research where you're finding shit out about, like, biology, theology, cosmology. Three very important topics. First is cosmology, then it's either theology or biology. It goes three ways down or something like that, or three ways up. You feel me? It's cosmology, theology, and biology. Three important subjects to research, or what do you call that? What is that? Very important. I can't concentrate right now. Three very important studies. The study of, right? Because etymology is the art of breaking down words, right? So, if you know where a word comes from, then you could understand and, fully comprehend and be like, okay, well, that's that. You barely even have to go out and experience it through God too, man. Like, you experience it where you're at. It comes from within, man. It comes from within. Come on. You don't have to go out to find it. It's inside you. I'm not sure if it says the key to earth and godliness is inside you, but I think it might. I'm not sure. But I know basically like everything that's outside of us, almost inside of us. Almost. So, like, at least the fact that, like, there's so much different stuff with the body that, like, you feel me, like, almost like every animal or something, like, is inside of us. So, like, it's just wild. if you do enough research, you find a whole bunch of shit. Like, there's cerebral, you feel me? There's just a lot of stuff. So, do your research, folks. If you want to know where I get my information from, just ask me, and I'll show you my teacher. If not, you could ask me for some more information, and I'll tell you what I can. Shoot, I don't give a damn if we do it together with research. I'm very weary when I research, because I don't like clicking on certain things, because I don't know where they lead me to. You know what I mean? I'm not stupid. I don't do clickbait, no, like, you know, random links that, you know, if I'm not sure what it is, I'm like, yeah, like, I'm not clicking that. You know what I mean? I don't click random shit. I'm not stupid. I've been on computers since I was 6 years old. I'm 27 now. You know what I mean? I know fucking not to be foolish and click random shit. So, alright, guys. Yahuwah loves y'all. I love y'all. God bless y'all. Take it easy. Stay positive. Your mentality is your reality. Your mentality is your reality. Your feelings are your field. So, feel great. Alright. Next video I'm about to do is about even flow. Na, 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 but I forget how it goes. God damn it. But that's what it's going to be about. It's going to be about flow. So, alright, I'm about to start that video next. Alright, God bless y'all. I love y'all. God loves y'all. Have a wonderful day. Stay positive, and hope to talk to you soon or something. Or hope to share that positivity, you know. Alright, y'all. Later.